Good morning from the For the See Me. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment today, Tuesday the 3rd. We're in the first week of March. We've had some good action in the beans in the past couple days. Looked like we were going to make new highs and continue with follow through in the beans. That did not happen. We got to that 7-week, almost a 2-month high, and traders stepped in and sold it again. We've seen that time and time again. Even though we have a story of the trucker strike in South America and the rains in South America, that's just not really holding water. So that's probably the fundamental picture that's going out there as far as the grains go. I want to concentrate today on one word. The word is triangle. Look at a daily chart of, you can pick May corn or Dees corn, but we're in a good triangle formation. There's a trend line above and a trend line below. We're nearing the apex of that triangle formation. So take a look at that. In May corn, it looks like there's, the upside is around 395 and the support is around 382. If we were to break out of either one of those trend line support or resistance, you could get a decent size snapback. Now, it doesn't always work. A lot of people look at those formations though, so take a look at that. There's a good triangle. There's one thing takeaway today. Check out the triangle formation for the corn. There's one as well in the beans, but not quite as tight as the corn. So that's number one. Number two, look at what's going on in the wheat. We looked like we were trying to have a double or triple bottom around 489 in the May wheat. If that 489 does not hold, 489 contract low, we've got problems for the bulls. So even though we have had some good snapbacks here, the fundamental story remains bearish for wheat. You've got the US dollar at 11-year high. That's hard for our exporters to fight against that headwind. So kind of some separate stories there. You've got the triangle formations in the corn and not so much, and then the soybeans. The wheat, it looks like, are we going to test those contract lows? If we take out those contract lows, chances are you'll see some fresh funds selling. Finally, where are the funds? The funds are long 80,000 contracts of corn. They are short 3,000 to 4,000 contracts of soybeans. And they are short 35,000 contracts of wheat. However, they do have a pretty good long position in the products for the soybean. If you look at the meal and the oil, they're long about 26,000 contracts of meal, about 30,000 contracts of oil. That's their long bet as far as the products. There's no real event on the horizon coming up. A week from today, we do have a USDA report on the 10th. But one thing to look at today, take a look at that triangle formation. It may give you a shot at catching a move. From the For the See Me, this is Chris Robinson. Have a good day.